Morning, good evening, whatever the time zone is. Today's video, I would like to introduce you to Nexus, the agents that we build to improve the safety management system of a company. And Nexus aims is to basically improve the productivity of our HSE community by providing them the agents that they need to do a thorough and efficient assessment of safety in high risk areas. Nexus is developing these tools to create more productivity to our HSE community, and we are automating workflows that allow the HSE community to transition from being reactive to more proactive. Our risk analyzer tool is now designed to act as a guide or an AI assistant to a risk manager and create a very detailed, accurate, and high quality risk assessment. I'll show you the demo of this tool and you will understand more how this tool helps the risk manager in improving first the data quality provided by our AI agent in recommending what hazards and what are the severity of those hazards and how to control them. And secondly, it frees their time from mundane tasks to more scientific tasks within high risk areas. So without further ado, I'll move to the tool. This is the link for our MVP risk analyzer. It has 5 simple inputs, which starts with activities. The user can input the type of activity. I have already created few sample cases from this. So it has cached the memory here and it's showing me inspection in a stack container at tier 3 level, but it can be as simple as inspection of an enclosed space in either a ship or in a oil and rig site. So currently we are looking at this inspection in stacked container at tier 3 level. I'll go to the next input, which is industry. And here we can select the industry that you belong to. So I've selected here terminals. Then the condition around the work environment, we can put either you're working on a roof or you're using some kind of a safety cage. In this case, you are using the safety cage to climb the tier, which is at a height. And you can also input the factors which influencing the activities, such as the environment, it's raining, and you can select how many distinct hazards do you want for this activity. So currently I've taken 3 hazards I want from this activity to be assessed. So I'll click on this think button, which is an AI agent, and based on your input, it will start to fetch the relevant hazards for this activity and then share the risk assessment. So let's see what it generates. It's showing running currently, and it's within a fraction of a second it has provided a response. So it has provided the hazards for the input task that I had given, and I had asked for 3 hazards. So it has provided me fall from height due to slippery safety cage, entanglement with cargo or equipment, and electrical shock from damage or exposed wiring. So it has identified these hazards, and it's quite relevant because since it's a container, it can be a reefer container, so there can be a hazard of electrical shock, or it can be entanglement with the equipment that you're using in the safety cage, or you can fall from the safety cage. So these are the 3 hazards it has identified. It has also provided me the severity and likelihood and given me the ratings. So 5 being the high severity and 1 being the low severity. Similarly, for likelihood, in the scale of 1 to 5, it has provided me 4 as the likelihood for this hazard. The risk, which is normally we multiply the severity with the likelihood. So now we apply the control measures for this hazard fall from height by using non-slip coating on safety cage rungs. Since we are controlling the hazard, not eliminating it, it has reduced the risk from 20 to 10. So within a fraction of a second, you're identifying the risk, you are analyzing the risk, and then also at the same time, you're assessing by quantifying the risk. So all the steps are performed in a fraction of seconds and with very high data quality, which can be fed into either a CSV format or we can download it from here and put it in your application safety management system, and you can start on the next process, which is monitoring and reviewing the risk. Our whole aim is to make the high risk areas more safer, especially in the oil and shipping ring. As we come from that industry, we have around 20 years of experience. And if you have any further feedback, please us back in this link. And hopefully we can work together and improve our product and also make the workplace safer.